Have you ever thought about the journey ingredients take before they are mixed into a smoothie?
Professional artist Joshua Pablo Rosenstock created this data visualization to investigate that question. The artist took on the challenge of representing the proportion of actual distances the ingredients in his smoothie traveled by showing them with corresponding lengths of straws. Because representing the 5,400 miles that the blackberries traveled with a straw that was actually 5,400 miles long would be both difficult and wasteful. Images like this help us see that using ratios can display large numbers in an image. We would like to point out that it would have been more mathematically accurate to make the blueberry straw 2.92 inches long based on the ratio of straw length to distance depicted for the other ingredients. However, then the straw would likely not connect his mouth with the smoothie, resulting in the loss of some of the meaning behind the numbers and the story. Data visualization helps us answer questions and quantify large amounts of information to make new connections. Do you know the Tennessee River is one of the most polluted in the world? Thankfully, organizations are taking steps to correct the pollution that we easily see and the pollution that is harder to observe. This group of eighth grade student artists chose to represent the different types of microplastics that were found to be present in the Tennessee River. The data came from the work of a scientist who swam the 652 miles of the river, collecting data along the way, and discovered that it was one of the most polluted rivers in the world compared with others that have been documented. In the visualization created by this team of students, each of the colors represent the percentage of the source of plastic that was found in the river, such as yellow representing the amount of polyethylene and the braided pink representing fabric. By educating viewers about the types of plastic pollutants, viewers can begin to understand the products and industries most responsible for polluting our beloved Tennessee River. Data visualization takes daily experiences that we may overlook and unpacks those experiences in a way we can understand, illuminates avenues to make change, and can also show places to appreciate the things that need to be celebrated, such as this visualization created by an eighth grade artist of animals that were adopted over time. In writing about this piece, the artist stated, quote, "The idea of the image was to show the increasing number of adoptions in the USA. I chose this topic because I have a cat myself, and I think it is important that any animal has a family. I use size differences and colors to show data. The bigger numbers were highlighted in bigger parts of the cat tree. Smaller numbers were highlighted in smaller parts of the cat tree. At first, I didn't know how to show my data, but in the end, I like how it turned out." End quote. Our team brings a rich history of working with diverse students in several settings. If you are interested in learning more about the Artspace Data Visualization Project, we hope you will apply to attend the Artspace Data Visualization Project Summer Institute by following the QR code on the left. We also have an article linked in the center of the screen and a link to the Artspace DVP at UTK YouTube channel on the right. Please contact us if you have questions or would like to work together on creating arts-based data visualization opportunities for your students.